Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's important for everyone's heart health: cholesterol. High cholesterol levels can increase the risk of heart disease, but the good news is, there are plenty of natural ways to tackle this issue. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 effective ways to lower your cholesterol levels naturally. So, if you're ready to take control of your health, make sure to hit that like button and let's get started. 1. Eat heart-healthy foods. First up, it's all about your diet. Incorporate foods rich in soluble fiber like oats, beans, lentils, and fruits. These foods help reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, in your bloodstream. Soluble fiber acts like a sponge, soaking up cholesterol and preventing it from being absorbed. 2. Choose healthy fats. Say goodbye to trans fats and saturated fats. Opt for healthy fats found in sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats can help raise your HDL, the good cholesterol, which works like a scavenger, carrying excess cholesterol away from your arteries. 3. Increase omega-3 intake. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, are known to boost heart health. They can help lower triglyceride levels and reduce inflammation. Think of omega-3s as firefighters, putting out inflammation that can damage your blood vessels. 4. Get moving with exercise. Regular physical activity is a fantastic way to improve your cholesterol profile. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. This can be as simple as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. Exercise not only raises your HDL levels but also helps your body use cholesterol effectively. 5. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight goes hand in hand with managing cholesterol. Shedding those extra pounds can help lower your LDL cholesterol and improve your overall heart health. Your heart doesn't have to work as hard when you're at a healthy weight. 6. Increase plant sterols. Plant sterols are natural compounds that can block the absorption of cholesterol. You can find them in foods like fortified spreads, certain grains, and fruits. They're a great addition to your diet because they compete with cholesterol for absorption, reducing the amount that enters your bloodstream. 7. Enjoy antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants help protect your blood vessels and lower inflammation. Load up on colorful fruits and veggies, like berries, spinach, and bell peppers. To reap these heart-protective benefits, antioxidants are like bodyguards, shielding your arteries from damage. 8. Limit added sugars. Excess sugar intake can lead to higher triglyceride levels and lower HDL cholesterol. Cut back on sugary drinks, snacks, and desserts to help keep your cholesterol in check. Too much sugar can lead to a cholesterol imbalance that's harmful to your heart. 9. Drink in moderation. Moderate alcohol consumption might have some heart benefits, but excessive drinking can raise triglycerides and blood pressure. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. A glass of red wine occasionally can be heart-friendly, but remember, more is not better. 10. Manage stress. Lastly, let's talk about stress. Chronic stress can impact your cholesterol levels. Incorporate stress relief techniques like meditation, yoga, deep breathing, and hobbies into your routine. Stress can contribute to inflammation in your body, which in turn affects your cholesterol levels. And there you have it, 10 natural ways to lower your cholesterol levels and boost your heart health. Remember, these changes don't happen overnight, so be patient with yourself and make small, sustainable adjustments to your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other tips for maintaining a healthy heart. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay healthy and stay happy.